man Hobbs wants to talk directly to y'all, so I'm patching him through now.
My name is Special Agent Luke Hobbs of the U.S. Diplomatic Security Service, and as of 16.9 seconds ago, I'm the man in charge. There's a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard your vehicle. An international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is honing in on this vehicle to take that witness out. Shaw's as ruthless as they come, and he'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that, enjoy the ride.
Hey guys, we're gonna keep you safe from Shaw, but to keep you safe we need your help. So please turn off your cell phones and put away your cameras, because one flash or ringtone could give us away. And remember, if you got a problem, we're dealing with it together.
Turn that music off! Come on, get moving. The door's right there. Get moving. Get out. Come on, everybody out.
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party. And what other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Bill?
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. I got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of this.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Oh, man.
It was on vibrate.
Shaw traced us. Ops can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting. The Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Okay, gang, no flash photography and no cell phones. And keep very quiet.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or we'll all get crushed!
This is our truck.
Move! After them!
Okay, guys, it's showtime. Coming in up. This thing ain't moving fast enough. Roman, Letty, hook him up. Now we're moving.
You give me the witness to let over, call it a day! The witness is mine, Letty! Don't think you're getting away!
Where to go, Letty? Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got you.
Let me distract him!
Hit the nitrous. Time to die.
People learn to ride like that. And witness, whoever you are, you lucky to be riding with this crew. They got your back.
They say the bigger the family, the stronger it is. You guys get good out there. And you're welcome to join our crew anytime.
All right, let's forget about all that mess. The party is here, the party is now. Time to act a fool.
Attention partygoers, please remain fully seated at all times.